Pakatari's rebel movement is on the verge of defeat. If we help him turn things around, we'll be able to count on his support in the future.
I asked Pakatari to send us people.
Sure are a lot of lights and switches up here.
Good to go.
Dig in. The cartel's gonna hit this place hard once that transmission starts. Damn, that's rough.
Bolivianos, is it too much to ask to be able to raise our children without them lying awake every night listening to the sound of gunfire? Must we lie awake as well, wondering if a stray bullet might come through the bedroom walls?
Fuck, dude, you just hit a civilian!
Engage targets.
This will find us, one way or another.
Watch your fucking fire, civilian down. Sniper! They're gonna just... Clear. They're on alert. I have a shot. Engaging.
I say no! We are born free, and we cannot live in...
Tari got his message out. That should get his people stirred up.
Well done, compadres. My speech was heard all over Bolivia. It is only a matter of time before the people rise up and join our cause. Viva la revolución!
Glad we could help. Now what have you got on Youri&Polito?
Nothing yet, amigo. Those two, they cover their tracks well. But my people are working on it. We will know something soon. In the meantime, my revolutionary brothers in Itaqua stand ready to help if you need them. Just call, and they will come.
I'll keep that in mind.
Compadre, I may have someone who can give you information on Youri&Polito.
I'm listening.
One of my lieutenants managed to escape from them. He fled to a village called Culta. Rather than give my men up to the cartel, the villagers hid him.
Goddamn bravery right there.
In response, Santa Blanca razed every home and executed all the villagers.
Fuck.
My lieutenant is still being kept alive. Probably so he can be killed in an even more painful way.
Understood. We're heading to Kulta now.
Accept your life as it is. Become more.
A captured rebel being held in the village of Kulta might have valuable intel on the Youri and Polito. Rescue him from the cartel and find out what he knows.
Looks like Kulta is still smoldering. Keep an eye out for the rebel they've got held here.
I got eyes on a sniper. Got another tango.
Yo, 2 cartel
Third
gunmen.
target. Point him out.
Next to the church.
I got another. That's 5. Just spotted one with submachine guns.
I got a narco over here. The church. Inside.
There's another one. That's 10.
That was close. Hell, sounds like they found a body. Firing.
Frag out. Frag out. Get some. You okay, hermano?
What do you want from me?
Youri and Polito, the fuckers who tortured you. We're here to make them pay for what they did. But we need to know where they took you.
We didn't travel far. I remember that much, and it was quiet. Out in the country somewhere. There was a smell, like old animal skins. That's all I know. I'm sorry.
It's all right. At least now we know they're close by. Gracias.
Nomad, we finally got a 20 on Youri and Polito. The activity cross-referenced the car's GPS with that description you got from the prisoner. They're at a hunting lodge. Rumor has it they use that spot for their enhanced interrogation.
Send us the location and we'll take care of it.
Put them in the ground for me. Make sure they feel the pain.
Clear on my side. Poke the hornet's nest. Clear.
got a location on Youri and Polito. Let's pay these fuckers back for what they did to Sandoval. I don't care how you do it, so long as they both end up dead.
Advance on the lodge. Stay alert.
Hostiles in the area. Stay frosty.
Move in. Watch those doorways and corners. This must be where Sandoval cashed in. Bowman said they kept him alive for 47 hours.
Tough son of a bitch held out for a long time. I feel like he was waiting for us to come get him, and we're real fucking late. Time to make it right.
Who were you before you met me?
Mamacita, I was nobody. Nothing. I could not have even imagined a life so deep, a love so full as the love I have with you.
Oh, Gordo, I feel the same. I was half a person before I met you. I was a faded image, out of focus, until I could see myself through your eyes.
Just now when I was breaking that man's hands, I was imagining that he had tried to touch you.
You're such a jealous.
Get down. I got you, man. Just hang tight. I'm heading your way.
Fuck, took you
Damn,
so long.
that guy's dead. Looks like more sicarios want to get some. They're coming this way. What do you want us to do?
Our security infrastructure was being attacked. It made me question if La Plaga, our head sicario, was up to the task, or if he was too distracted with social media antics. Are you too busy chasing pussy on the internet to do your fucking job? Or is fucking your job?
No, Jefe. He's my brother, Sueño. I will keep him in line.
La Plaga got the message. Too well. He doubled down.
Whoever's behind this, know that we will find you. Know that for every one of us you kill, we will kill 10 civilians at random. There is no such thing as innocent to me.
The little pendejo had no idea how much damage he had just caused.
All right, good to go.